Principles of 5S in Attaining WCM, World-Class Manufacturing System. 1. Sort, eliminate unnecessary items from the workplace, organize and prioritize essential items, ensuring a clutter-free and efficient environment. 2. Set in order, arrange tools, equipment, and materials in a logical and standardized manner, making them easily accessible, reducing search and setup times. 3. Shine, clean and maintain the workplace regularly, promoting a safe and visually appealing environment, enhancing productivity and employee morale. 4. Standardize, establish standardized processes, procedures, and visual controls, ensuring consistency and uniformity in work methods across the organization. 5. Sustain, develop a culture of discipline and continuous improvement, encouraging employees to adhere to the 5S principles and sustain the improvements over time. 6. Implementing 5S fosters workplace organization, efficiency, and safety, contributing to improved productivity, reduced waste, and enhanced quality in the WCM system. 7. The sort step eliminates clutter, making it easier to find and access necessary tools, materials, and information, reducing downtime and improving efficiency. 8. Set in order ensures that everything has a designated place, minimizing searching time and improving workflow, leading to smoother operations and reduced errors. 9. The Shine step promotes cleanliness, which not only enhances workplace aesthetics but also prevents equipment malfunction, reduces accidents, and improves overall safety. 10. Standardize establishes consistent processes and work standards, facilitating easier training, smoother handoffs, and enabling easier identification of abnormalities. 11. Sustain emphasizes the importance of maintaining the 5S practices as a daily habit, encouraging employees to take ownership, monitor compliance, and continuously improve. 12. Implementing 5S encourages employee engagement, empowerment, and teamwork, creating a positive work environment and fostering a sense of pride and ownership. 13. The 5S principles support waste reduction, as a clean and organized workplace reduces unnecessary motion, waiting time, defects, and excess inventory. 14. Improved organization and cleanliness resulting from 5S contribute to a safer work environment, reducing the risk of accidents and injuries for employees. 15. By implementing 5S, companies can create a visual workplace, allowing for quick identification of abnormalities, enabling prompt action and problem solving. 16. The 5S principles can be applied not only to physical spaces but also to digital environments, improving data organization, file management, and information accessibility. 17. 5S serves as a foundation for other continuous improvement methodologies, such as Lean and Kaizen, complementing and enhancing their effectiveness. 18. Implementing 5S requires strong leadership commitment, employee involvement, and ongoing training and reinforcement to embed the principles into the company culture. 19. The discipline and organization instilled through 5S support a mindset of continuous improvement, paving the way for further initiatives and the pursuit of WCM excellence. 20. The 5S principles promote efficiency and effectiveness in the workplace, driving higher productivity, improved quality, reduced costs, and overall operational excellence in the WCM system.